Hi, Timothy Younger here. In this video, I want to talk about HTML lists. So to create a list in HTML, well, let's create a file with a framework. So I have lists.html here. I have VS Code open, and one quick shortcut I can use to create a really quick file is just the exclamation and then hit tab because it has built-in Emmet. Let me do Alt-Z here so we just can see all of it and close up the sidebar. So we've got our basic HTML framework here, and let's title this lists. So there's three types of lists that I'm going to cover today. The first one is the ordered list, and that is the OL tag. So I'm using Emmet, so I can do a quick shortcut here and do OL, and then a right arrow bracket, and then I'll do LI for list item. And let's say I want to have 5 list items. So I'm going to put times 5 and hit tab. And that's going to give me the basic structure here for 5 list items. Okay, so I can do list. Actually, let me just do Alt here and just, because I'm just going to change to the number here. So I'm going to do list item, and then we have 1. And let me escape that. And then we'll do 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and let's save that. And I also have a live server installed, so I'm just going to click on that. And let's take a look and see what we get. So you'll see with an ordered list, the default styling is with numbers in front. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This can, of course, be changed in CSS if you want, but that's an ordered list, so it has ordered items. Makes sense, right? Okay, let's go down here and let's do an unordered list. So I'll show you the default styling for that. So an unordered list, you may be guessing, is just with the UL tag. So let's do an unordered list. We'll hit tab to expand it with Emmet. And then I'm just going to take this. We're going to have the same amount of items. So let's just copy that and put that there and save. And let's now take a look and see what we have. Okay, so this is the unordered list. Now the default styling of this is bullets. These round little circles here are called bullets. Probably knew that, but anyway, so that's the default styling for an unordered list in HTML. There's one more type of list, which I never use, but I'm going to show you anyways. And if we look at the MDN docs, this is the description list element, and it has a description term and a description details tag that goes into it. So to create a description list, we're going to do DL, and I'm using Emmet here just because it's easy. I don't have to type out the tags here. So we have DL, closing DL, and then we have a description term. So let's say bananas, okay, and the description details, I'll just say yellow fruit that you peel and eat. And then we could do another one. We could do DT. Let's do apples. And I'll say something like circular fruit. If it's Granny Smith, I think it's green. Can be, let's do a comma, can be green or red. You can peel and eat it, or you can just eat it. You could peel it too. And then, yeah, what am I doing here? Oh, I messed up. I gotta have the closing tag here for my description. I deleted that. So I deleted a few things here. Let me fix this up. Okay, so we have our closing description list. We have 2 of those. Let's get rid of that. Okay, I just need to get a closing tag here, which I deleted. And you see it generates it for me. It's wrapping the line. That's what it's doing. If I expand this to full screen, you'll see. Okay, there we go. All right, we'll do one more item. So let's do onions. And then for onions, we'll say round can be white, yellow, or purple, maybe a fruit or vegetable. You chop it up and put it, let me just move this. Chop it up and put it on your salad. Okay, so now let's take a look at our description list. So this is the default formatting here. So we have the description term here, and then the description details are indented below. So that's a description list. You may want to use it. I typically don't. I usually use ordered lists or unordered lists in my HTML, but it is another option. So I wanted to throw that out there. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video on lists. If you did, could you please give it a like, as it will help get out to more people. I also want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.